Powerful method of how to expel ants on plants naturally. Have you ever seen a bunch of ants milling your plants? Ants are usually very interested in the same flowers that bloom. Although the presence of ants does not mean bad for plants, but the presence of ants in these plants is very disturbing us in enjoying our flowers or plants. They could have bitten our hands or entered the house. For the following will be explained some tips and how to repel ants in plants naturally. How to expel ants on plants. 1. How to expel ants on plants using traps. Not only the big pest animals that you can trap, but the ants you can trap. You can create a kind of collar from the paper. The way to make the collar is as follows. A. Make a circle with a diameter of at least 20 centimeters, or depending on the width of the stem of the plant. B. Cut the circle. C. Create a small hole in the center of the circle to fit the tree trunk that is embedded. D. Rub the paper's collar trap using Vaseline. E. Put the collar trap on the plant on the lower stem with the position of the part that has been smeared Vaseline facing up. Then the ants can be trapped in a sticky Vaseline. 2. How to expel ants on plants using specific aromas. Some insects do not like certain smells like cinnamon or mint smells. You can put a gum that smells both odorous or sprinkle cinnamon powder around the plant. 3. How to expel ants on plants by killing it. There are so many recipes that can be used to make certain foods which, when consumed by ants, will kill them. One of them is by mixing some sugar with borax or sugar with corn. Then put the ant food around the plant. 4. How to expel ants on plants by removing ants' traces. Each ant gang usually has a type of ant guide that serves to find food. The guiding ants can provide some kind of sign to allow other ants to follow in their footsteps. You can repel ants in plants by removing ant trace steps. You simply search for the path that is often passed and then put a cloth that has been soaked with a solution of bleach clothes on the path. This method is quite effective also to repel ants from home by removing traces to the house. Keep in mind that pouring a solution of bleach onto the soil around the plant is not recommended because it can damage the roots of the plant. 5. How to expel ants on plants using Repel and Repellent. Plants such as garlic, mint, chrysanthemum, aster, geranium, hebet and calendula are some plants that can repel ants and other pests in your garden. Plant some of these plants in the garden or yard to prevent ants from coming to the plants.